If you are wondering if you can use two SIM cards and a memory card at the same time on the Samsung Galaxy A27, then the answer is unfortunately no. So of course over here I have the SIM tray, and as you can see I have two SIM cards inserted into the SIM tray. And while we do have two SIM card slots, we can use both of them. Unfortunately, we cannot also, in addition to that, use micro SD card because there is no way to actually fit all in. What you can do is you can get rid of the second SIM, and then you have the option to insert the micro SD card instead. So essentially you have to decide if you want to use, I think I'm gonna drop, but still here we can just put the micro SD card in. Just want to make sure that the SIM tray, the micro SD card is fully in. So as you can see, the micro SD card fits, but you have to decide if you want to use one SIM and one micro SD card, or two SIMs without the micro SD card. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.